Hello everyone, I will show you how to make pyramid napkin. First, fold napkin in half diagonally. Second, fold corner to meet up top point. Third, turn napkin over and fold in half. And fourth, pick up center and stand on base of triangle. And lastly, this is pyramid napkin. Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make candle napkin. First, fold napkins in half diagonally. Second, fold up base 1/3 way. Third, turn napkins over and roll from bottom to top. Tuck corners inside cuff at base of fold. Turn one layer at point down and set of base. And lastly, this is my candle napkin.